Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2009 Mercury Grand Marquis. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. Changing the engine air filter is no problem, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. The reverse light is easy to replace, as the bulb assembly is easy to access on the inside of the trunk lid. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Replacing the center brake light can be tough, as you'll have to use tools as you work in a cramped space. To change the parking light, you will have to completely remove the bulb housing. This will require you to remove bolts, which are very hard to reach. Setting the clock can be tough, as you'll have to complete unintuitive steps to change your time. Overall, despite a few difficult-to-access lights, the 2009 Mercury Grand Marquis is a very easy car to maintain.